Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2017 Kubota B2650 cab with the LA 534 quick attach loader. I apologize about the wind. Tractor has just 219 hours, was a local one-owner tractor. He traded in here on another machine, a bigger machine for what his needs were. He's only ever had a loader on it. He's never had a belly mower. Very, very nice, clean tractor. This tractor is under powertrain warranty until 10/12 of 2023. So it still has powertrain warranty, engine, transmission. We're going to start you walking around this tractor. We're going to start you here right under the hood. This tractor will be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts, runs, and works excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, oil by, anything of that nature. It is a 219-hour tractor. We have just done a complete and full service. All filters and oils have just been changed. So we know it's done. There was recently some bucket hooks and a receiver hitch added to the bucket. Cutting edge is in excellent condition. Standard skid steer quick attach. Again, an LA 534 quick attach loader. R4 tire package. Cab heat air, super neat cab. 3-point hitch, category 1, with standard 540 PTO. PTO don't believe was ever used. It's a very good, clean tractor. LED lights, front and back. We'll open up the door for you to see in. Does have the rear defroster and windshield wiper kit. Low, medium, and high range. Has the very nice deluxe seat with armrest package. I'll show you right here. 219 hours. Low, medium, high tilt wheel. This is the best of the best AM, FM radio in the B series tractor. It's the smaller tractors you will buy with a factory cab, and it is non-emissions. So we're going to fire this tractor up, run around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. 2017 Kubota B2650, 219 hours. I have several B2650s for sale. I do have one with a backhoe. No, I'm not going to mismatch or do anything. They are sold the way they're set up as of current. If anybody has any question, want to come by and see what we have, you're more than welcome to do so. 2017, still under factory powertrain warranty, 219 hours. 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marketsupplycm.com. We see some Tractor House Machinery Trader and other sources of the internet. Glad to help you in any way we can. If you need a freight quote, let us know. Glad to help you. Get on the number, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Market Supply Company. Have a great day.